Today, we're making a pizza, and we're gonna make it on a salt block. Oh yeah! Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. Today, we are going to attempt to make a pizza on a salt block. What's it supposed to do? I have not a clue. I just thought it would be cool, something to try, something unique to see if there is any difference to the taste of the pizza. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put your salt block into a cold grill. Now you want it cold because that salt block needs to come up to temperature slowly with the grill as you do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be turning up the temperature about every 10 minutes or so, very slowly. If you get it too hot too fast, you're gonna break your salt block. No good. So make sure it is slow. Take it slow. Get that salt block really hot. Now I'm using a pellet grill. I don't know that I'm gonna get the temperatures that I want out of it. I'm gonna get that salt block as hot as I can, and we're gonna attempt to put this pizza on there and cook it. Should be good. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, so to start out with this pizza, we've got our dough here. Now I'm using a recipe I've never done before. Basically, this dough has sat overnight, 24 hours, kind of fermenting, and it's really sticky and kind of wet. Now the reason behind that, the salt block really doesn't pull any of the salt out of it unless you kind of have some moisture on top of that salt block. So I'm hoping that with a wetter style of dough, that it will actually take some of that salt out of it. Otherwise, I don't know what it's gonna do. I'll leave a link to where I found this recipe and you guys can check it out and try it yourself. I'm really excited to try it. This will be the first time for me. Our salt block's just about up to temperature. We're around 320, 345 in some areas on the salt block. So I think that's where I'm gonna be. So let's get to building this pizza. Okay, so we are ready to build our pizza. I've got a little pizza peel here. I want to make sure I can get this transferred over to that stone without any problems. Hopefully I can. Now we've got some really nice ingredients here. I've got some mozzarella, I've got some pepperoni, we've got some tomato, basil, and onion. I'm gonna build a couple of different types of pizzas today, so we'll see how that goes. But the first pizza I'm gonna dedicate it to one of my subscribers. You know who you are. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support you give. So this pizza's for you, buddy. So we're gonna start out with our dough. Now I'm gonna throw down that flour. This is really, really sticky, I tell you what. Very sticky stuff. Get that right on top of there. And just start pushing it out. Now I'm gonna make it into like a little square or so. I'll take up as much as I can of that salt block. That's basically it. Make sure she slides. That's what you want. You do not want this thing to stick. You will have troubles. And if you've seen any of my other videos, pizza videos, you know that I've had troubles with pizzas before. Okay, a little something like that. I think that'll do. All right, we're gonna add some marinara to that. Spread it around. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. All right, now I'll do pepperoni first. These are some big, thick slices. Look at those puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, just get 6 of them on there. And then mozzarella. Make sure she still slides. Okay, she's still sliding. There we go. All right, there we go. We've got our pepperoni pizza. We're gonna throw that on that salt block. All right, here we go. See if we can get that pizza on that salt block. Something like that, I guess. All right, we're gonna let that pizza cook for about 10 minutes or so. And we're gonna make sure we check it though. I don't want this thing to fry, you know. Gotta have a good pizza. Okay, I think that pizza's ready to come out. Let's pull it out. Woohoo, yeah. This thing looks good. Try not to lose it. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that puppy right there. That looks really good, really good. Smells amazing too. Ooh, hot. All right, well, we'll cut into it in a minute. I want to make some more pizzas too, so stick around. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside real quick, just kind of push it out of the way. And we're gonna make another pizza. We're gonna do a margarita pizza. So let that cool. Make a margarita. Not that kind of margarita. Okay. I've also got one other idea that I want to try. Just in case this doesn't really, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I don't know if it's gonna add any salt to it or whatever. But we're gonna try. We're getting there. Gotta make sure this thing ain't gonna stick once again. Get our marinara on there. Now this one's just gonna consist of mozzarella. Break this one up a little bit. And some fresh basil. And then you gotta hit a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of there too. Just a little bit, just a spritzing of it. There we go. She's still sliding. Pizza margarita. I don't know if that's how you say it. Let's throw it on the salt block. Oh yeah. Woo! Beautiful. Pizza, pizza. Pizza! Okay, that next pizza's ready. We'll pull it out. That thing looks good. We're gonna let that one cool down. Now for my third pizza, what I have done, I have frozen one of the doughs. I froze it. Now the reason I did that is because I want to see while it thaws out if it'll pull that salt out of that salt block. We'll see. I don't know. It's an idea, right? All right, let's get to fixing this thing up. For this one, I'm going all out. Just going marinara, pepperoni, mozzarella. Gonna go onion, tomato, and of course, some basil. Oh, this is gonna be good. Just looking at it, it looks so good. We'll do a little bit of olive oil on top of there too. There you have her. Woo, doggy. Hey, what are you doing, crazy cat? Get out of here. Okay, that final pizza's ready to go. We'll pull it off, let it cool, tear into all of them. That looks really good. Now this one, it was a little more difficult just because it was a frozen crust, but kind of broke up on me a little bit, grew a little bit larger. I think it's gonna be okay though. So I've got the other ones in a warming oven. I'm gonna go pull them out and we're gonna bite into each one of these and see how they taste. Okay, we got all our pizzas here. We got our pepperoni, got our margarita, and we got our everything with all the other stuff. Let's tear into it. Now they're all nice and warm still. They should be really good. We'll start, well, I'm gonna have to kind of move them around here. Get the pepperoni here. I'll just go ahead and I'm gonna cut it in half. Ooh, sounds really crispy. There's that pepperoni for you. Give it a shot real quick. That is really good. Really good. Crust looks good. It's a tasty crust. I don't know that I taste any salt or anything. The pepperoni's very, very salty, actually. So, I don't know. All right, let's try the next one. All right, here's the margarita. Is that how you say it? I don't know. I'm weird, I know. Okay, here we go. That's really good. I like that. The basil's excellent. There's the olive oil there. So there's that crust too. I don't know. I really don't notice anything. I mean, it's good pizza, but I don't see any difference with the salt block. I don't know. Next is the everything. Okay. Sorry guys, it's getting really dark out here. Taking too long to cook my pizzas. Here's the everything. Is it in focus? I think I got everything on there. Got basil, got some onion, tomato. Crust looks like all the rest, really. Here we go. Wow, that's tasty. Oh, I love tomato on my pizzas. That's good. That's an excellent pizza. That is so good. All right, so there you have it. Pizza on a salt block. You can do it. Does it do much? I don't really know. You're gonna have to try it and let me know. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I've got other salt block videos, so make sure you go check those out as well. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a video or go live. All right, I'm gonna go share this pizza with my family, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Baum Grillin'z out.